Hi, I'm Sam. Welcome to the channel. I've recently moved my kitchen table and stools outside, but that has left this massive space in my kitchen and nowhere to eat. I've started the project already. It's lent up behind me here. The next thing I need to do before I carry on is to flatten it. Right now, I don't have a way of doing that. So, that's going to be today's project. I'm going to build a router sled.
This tool is going to change your game when it comes to flattening boards or slabs, and we're going to show you how you make one for yourself. Alrighty, let's get started. We've got all the materials we need: a sheet of plywood, some screws, and a router. Right, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get building. First, we're going to use a table saw to cut down our sheets of plywood. Let's get that saw humming. And make sure your fence and your blades are square and true. You could do this with a track saw or even just a regular circular saw. The results will be pretty much the same. We are getting somewhere now. We've cut most of our plywood down to size. Now it's time to measure the base of our router to make sure we have the perfect fit in the base of our sled. We reset and away we go again, making sure we're square as we go. A little bit of on-the-job thinking.
3 weeks later.
Right, nice work guys. Now we're going to pre-drill some holes in the base of our sled, going upwards, through and into the sides. Screw them up and this sled is really coming together. We're almost there now. Just got to add a couple of guide rails to the bottom of the sled. This will go over the top of our guide rails, making sure the sled moves smoothly and effortlessly above the piece to be flattened. And just like that, our guide rails are screwed together. So we can really get in there and get to work. It's time to get the router in position. We plunge down through to mark where our router will sit. We draw around our surfacing bit and then drill a few holes for our blade to go down through. and then join up the holes with a jigsaw. Okay, it's time to put this thing to the test. Let's get our tabletop out of the ratchet straps and place it on the deck. This is exactly what it's all about, guys. Getting in there and getting that job done. And there you have it, a nice beautifully flat tabletop. Wow, look at all that sawdust. That's going to be a big cleanup. Now you can see it being cut and trimmed to size. But the rest of the table build will have to wait for another video. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. I hope you're feeling energized and inspired to get out there and build your own router sled. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. It really does help out the channel. Thanks for watching.